Hi, welcome to the channel, guys. I want to talk with y'all today about the Ryobi Inflators. This is the older version. This is the newer, more compact version. I've had to buy like 2 or 3 of these over the years because of the malfunction in them. They just quit pumping, and sometimes that just don't want to work. But that has been good. But I like this new compact version here. The way it works, just turn it on. Just set your PSI and what you're doing. And then I like this, the little clip on the end here, snaps on. A little bit easier than screwing that one on. Sometimes you can't get them to go right. But yeah, I like the more compact version. I feel like it's a lot better to store than this one, and I feel like it pumps a lot better than this one. That's my opinion, but I feel like it's a good inflator, deflator, whatever you want to call them, to use for like lawnmower tires, trailer tires, things like that. But I just want to jump on here, talk about these two real quick. But that's it for today's video. Leave a comment down below, tell me what you think, and be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.